Hey y'all, hey, so I wanted to highlight this comment that I got on my Facebook page. She talked about the use of morning glory, so I did use that on this young lady because I can't use morning glory. And actually, the reason I don't use it often is because I feel like the hair doesn't stick. Like, I struggle with sticking the hair. The glue just doesn't stick. I'm sorry. I see people like put the glue on the morning glory, and I don't know. I know it washes off, but in my mind, I just can't do that. I just can't. So, actually, because she has really short hair, and I do like to sew the cap down. There's no hair to really like sew the cap down, so this way actually was better. Then using the paper, she's going to Vegas. It's going to be real hot. So I don't want her to chance with her whole cap lifting up. So this was definitely a better option to use the morning glory. But also people don't be wanting to get on the dryer, like 2 times because you got to get on the dryer 2 times. You got to mow your sides, mow the morning glory, and it is what it is. So I'm using 27 piece 1B, 28 piece sensual. Uh, This hair just does not look like 1B to me. It looks like a number 2. I actually went in the trash can to check the packaging because I'm like, this just does not look like 1B. But it says 1B. Could have been a mistake they made in the factory and mixed up a number 2 with the 1B. But it definitely was not giving 1B. But I showed it to my client and she was okay with it. All right, so she wants something like a bowl type cut. So I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy twinkle razor. Y'all know I love these razor combs. I have like 50, 11 of them in my drawer. They don't last. They are very, what's the word I'm looking for? They're not very sturdy, if that's the word I'm looking for, or they don't have like longevity. But I mean, they're cheap as hell, so I consider them disposable. Just get another one. I do exchange the razor out of them. I use the Dorco razors, double-sided razors, and I get a couple uses out of it, actually. Several uses, but eventually they do break, but it's cheap, so it is what it is. Now, let me tell y'all, when doing bangs, I'm talking to the stylist here. Well, even if you're doing your own hair, always do your bang longer first because you can always go back and alter it. She did say after I did it that she wanted it shorter, so we made it shorter. Had I made it too short, there will be nothing I could do about it and we will be stuck. So always go longer first. Let the client see if that's how they want it. If they want it longer, then you have the option of cutting it some more. She be having me cut this little heart in the back of her head, y'all, and every time I be like freaking out because, baby, that's not something that I do, but she been making me do it, so it's doing what it's doing. So just layering in because she wears a really, really, really short pixie. So this style is gonna definitely take some getting used to on her end. She did tell me that the bang and everything was kind of bulky, so I went back in, cut it some more, and this is a finished look. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to be notified, and I'll see you again.